pointing.
No, they had a gunner.
That was it, huh?
Yep.
So this is what, a torpedo plane? I like those little crazies right there. Yeah, this is a torpedo.
No, it did have caliber. Here, Peter, look at armament. One 500-pound general purpose bomb, two 50 caliber guns in the nose, two 30 caliber tail guns.
In the nose?
So somewhere in this nose, up here.
Where?
I don't know.
Can't be,
I don't
can't
see
be
it.
where the engine is.
Well, they used to have timers.
Maybe it's on top. I wish I could check. Yeah, I was working on the A7, and when I left, they were phasing out the A7 and bringing the A10. I never got a chance to work on and see one of them up close. I missed that. I was just getting out of the service.
Oh, okay.
And the A10 is an amazing plane. It carries like 3 times its weight in bombs. It's an amazing, and it can hover for like hours, so it can support troops on the battlefield. You know, amazing weapon. Doesn't fly very fast, but it just hauls a ton of ordnance. Salt water, you know how fast they would rust if you didn't coat them? That must be what pulls the deck in or something. Oh, I want one of those. That looks so cool.
Life raft.
Yes, 25-man life raft.
Yeah.
I want one of those. Emergency blankets. Yeah, water, food. Seasick tablet.
First aid kit.
First aid kit. Yeah.
Here's a life raft, guys.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the size of them right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ship's going down. You break out one of these. It doesn't have the plastic on it, so it's got the life raft and roll.
Yeah, I saw the tail hook. Oh, these are the good ones. First thing I thought of, I saw that was that tail hook.
whole slew of different kinds of airplanes. Hey, Alvin.
Oh, this is good.
Here's your gun.
Yeah.
That right there is fuel, extra fuel.
Okay.
These are the bombs. See, these are the fuses.
Okay.
That would arm it. That would arm the fuse as it was going down. It would arm that fuse
Like,
as it was spinning. Through the air.
yeah.
So when it was sitting on the deck, it was not armed. I mean, it was in there, but it's not armed. And once you started spinning, it armed it. And then it was depending on whether it was a ground detonation or an air detonation. It would have
Right.
barometer stuff like that. But yeah, that's a 500. You know what this boom here is for?
What's this?
You know what that's for?
What is that for?
In-air refueling.
Oh,
The basket
yeah.
would come down from the
Yeah,
KC-135,
right.
hook into that and fuel it.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a sideliner right there. That's for shooting down bad guys. Right? This goes after heat. So it's going to hit wherever it's hot on the other plane. Where's the hot on the other plane? The engine. Right? Because the engine gets hot. That one only goes for radar. This is another missile to hit the bad guy jets, but it only goes for radar. So another jet has a radar on. That's what it's going to hit. The jet has a radar on. And this is what it's machine gun is. Riding on this one bullet. Does you see the bullets?
Now that was a common plane for a lot of years. The
It's-
F-18 Hornet, yeah.